Good morning. We are camping in Zion National Park with the dogs. This is the third year we've done this during Christmas time. I haven't ever vlogged it. I'm getting into the groove of things of trying to vlog again. Well, not again, just to try to start vlogging. But I thought I would take you along with us. It's just such a beautiful area that I know not everybody can visit. And Bronco loves it here. He loves just digging his feet into the ground, just being out in nature. So we are going to go get breakfast at a little coffee shop that we went to last year that we love. And then there's only one dog-friendly trail in Zion. Last year I posted a TikTok video and people kept asking where to take your dog. There's only one trail, but like all of the restaurants and stuff like that, and like even just the outskirts is really dog-friendly. I thought I would take you guys along with us for today and tomorrow morning. We're gonna go get breakfast and then we will come back and maybe go on like a trail, or there's like this little river right here that you might be able to hear as well. So let's go do that.
Getting old don't bother me, 'cause with eyes that's been through life.
Okay, they have this cute outdoor seating that I did not see last time we were here. So we're just gonna sit here and eat with the dogs. And I ordered the biscuits and gravy and a caramel vanilla iced latte. Jed got the ham jam bagel sandwich. Hi, what are you doing? Okay, we are on the dog-friendly trail. I think there's only one, but Jed thinks there's more than one. This is called the Parish Trail, P-A-Rus. I'm pretty sure this is the same trail that my mom, Bronco, and I hiked on in like 2014. I'll put a photo here, and I just recreated that photo. But this area is really pretty. I'll just show you what it looks like. Okay, if you are with your dog, or yourself, they have like these little cutouts right here. There's a few of them where you can walk down to the river. So there's like all this sandy area and then the river just flows. There's these cute steps, but there's like, I think we passed 3 or maybe 2 little cutouts and we didn't even go all the way down the trail. So just kind of cool, little fun place to play or read a book, take a nap. So all of the national parks have like these little tags that say Bark Rangers. So I just got one for Bronco. Bronco, let me see your tag. They have like dog leashes and dog bandanas, and the little Bark Ranger tag was $6. So just kind of a little cute souvenir. Since we're going to be driving home during Christmas tomorrow, we are making like our Christmas dinner tonight. So Jed has a fire going. We're cooking like turkey breasts, mashed potatoes, and I think green beans. I love green beans. So we are just gonna make that for dinner. It's getting dark, so I don't know how much we're gonna be able to film, but we are also maybe going to watch a Christmas movie. We have like matching pajamas with us and the dogs. Might be the end of tonight, and then in the morning we're just gonna let the dogs play by the river for a little bit and then go home. So I will see you in the morning probably. Are you tired? You sleepy? Okay, while we're cooking dinner, apparently Jed wants to play with his RC car. This is what she looks like. Is it an RC truck? Or is it still called an RC car? A rock crawler.
You don't have to full throttle it.
Christmas morning, so I am going to make the dogs their little Christmas breakfast, and then Jed's gonna make breakfast. Then I wanted to show you what the river area looks like just really quick. It's really cold this morning. I was gonna have Duke like play with his toy, but it rained last night, so it's kind of muddy. But this is what I'm feeding the dogs. I got this little Christmas dinner from a local pet store. I just thought it would be cute to use for breakfast since we'll probably be like unloading and unpacking for dinner. This is goat's milk. I'm pretty sure this is like a puffed up yak chew. And then it also came with some turkey recipe from Stella and Chewy's, and then this cute little beef stew. And Bronco is very excited. Are you hungry? Do you want some food? You want some food? I'll give you the little cookie for now. Want a cookie? There you go. Go eat it. Since it's only the small little pack of Stella and Chewy's, I have this Open Farm freeze-dried turkey that I'm going to give them as well. Mr. Dookie, are you stuck? Come over here. Oh, you're stuck again.
Well, I'm all for Christmas, all the happy smiles and the wishes, and I want it all from the lights to the mistletoe. Tell me one thing, is there anything that you're missing? I will keep you warm as soon as you remove that snow. Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open
That
your
is our
mind.
campground right there, and then we have like a little trail that turns to this paved path. And then there's all of this that's like beachy, and then the river, and then more of the river. So the other day we went like under that tree all the way up over there towards like the red rocks over there, and the dogs just loved to run and play. I think I'm going to end the video here. We are gonna get packed up and then head back home, unpack and do all that good stuff. So I hope you liked this video. If you like these types of videos, let me know, or let me know what kind of videos you would like to see. Be sure to like this video and subscribe. That sounds so cringy, but it just would really help my channel, obviously, so that way I could keep making videos, huh? So I hope you guys had a good Christmas if you celebrate, and good holidays. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video.